Hello friends, today's video is dedicated to Rabindranath Tagore. It's his birthday and it's a way to thank him for all the literature and all the gifts he has given to us. And I was born and brought up in Delhi, which gave me the opportunity to be raised, to spend time with people from all cultures and all places. And nobody from any culture feels alien as such, but I got the opportunity of knowing Bengali culture, language, and other aspects of it closely, I think about 3 to 4 years back. And I got a chance to view the series of stories written by Rabindranath Tagore approximately in 2018, and I was awestruck by the work he had done, the way he had portrayed women, strong, clear-minded, focused women who knew what they wanted from their life, and that has always been intriguing me, always. So when I got this opportunity to be a part of thanking him for what he has given as a contribution for women, I didn't feel like saying no, though I did that at first, but then I decided I will do this. And who am I displaying today or portraying today? It is Mrinal. Mrinal from one of his literature, which is the last letter that she writes to her husband before she leaves her house. And the way the character has been portrayed, I think I relate to this character in every single way. And the best part about this is that when you start, when you say there's a strong woman, what do you really mean by a strong woman? A strong woman is just a woman who is willing to follow her heart, who's willing to follow the values and principles that she so believes in without having the world to decide what to do for her. Isn't that wonderful? And that's exactly what you would find as a portrayal in Rabindranath Tagore's stories. So I thank him with a deep gratitude and thankfulness in heart that he was able to bring out the beauty of women in his literature, and that today I get the opportunity of portraying one of them. Thank you.